Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashmi Kashyap, and in today's video, as you saw in the title, I'm gonna do this look right here. This is a beautiful sunset look that I came up with, and this is so pretty, this is so fierce. It looks so beautiful. It's wearable if you kind of tone it down a little bit, but yeah, it's so good. I feel so confident when I wear these kind of looks. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off by using a moisturizer, and for that I'm using the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. This is a beautiful moisturizer. It keeps your skin very hydrated and it doesn't let the makeup affect your skin. So yeah, I really like this before applying makeup, and yeah, I kind of do use it every single day. So after using a moisturizer on my face, I go in with the primer, and today I'm using the Maybelline's Master Prime. This is the primer and base in 100. Okay, so this one right here is too good for oily skin girls because it kind of mattifies and fills in your pores, and it doesn't let the oils from your face break the makeup. So yeah, I kind of use it on my T-zone, and the days when I feel really oily, I use it all over my face. But today I'm just going to use this on my T-zone, that is just the forehead, my nose, and this part. So make sure that you give a little bit of time for your moisturizer and your primer to settle down on your face. Let your skin absorb all of it so that next when you apply your foundation and rest of the makeup, the skin is ready to take all of that. So yeah, just give it some time. So next comes in the foundation, and for that I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So I'm picking up a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand and using a beauty blender, I'm just going to apply this all over my face. As you can see, my foundation is completely blended, and next up for the concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Pure Beige. This is like your affordable, best quality concealer you can get out there, and I'm just going to apply a little bit under my eye. Okay guys, I normally like to go in with another brightening concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me's concealer in the shade 25 medium. I'm gonna apply this concealer just on the high points of my face, like here, on the cheekbone, and on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I am applying a little bit of the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer on the lids so that my eyeshadow really pops up. Okay, so my foundation is done and my concealer is done. Now it's the time to set your face. And for setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me's loose powder. This is in the shade 20 Light Medium. So I'm picking up a little bit of the powder using my Amazon brush, and yeah, I'm just setting my under eye. Now I'm just taking another fluffy brush and just powdering the rest of my face. Okay, so my base is kind of done. I'm only left with contouring, highlighting. But now I'm going to jump right into the eyebrows and next do my eyeshadow. So for fixing my eyebrows, I use the Lakme into Kareena Kapoor Khan Collections Brow Definer in the shade Espresso. This is my most favorite eyebrow product. So today for my eyeshadow look, I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Marvellous Mattes palette. It's a beautiful, colorful palette. This is how it looks. Just look at the shades. When I just looked at this palette, I saw these 4 shades and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a sunset eyeshadow look, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna pick up this bright orange shade from the palette. I kind of want it to be the important color in my look, so I'm just gonna pick up this eyeshadow on a very tapered dome brush and just gonna, pat it on my eyelid. You're gonna see I'm not gonna blend at the first go. I'm just gonna pat it in. I just want to make sure that the color sits in perfectly. I'm just using a fluffy brush and just blending the edges out. So these are the 2 motions, okay? You have to just go circular over the edges and this windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm gonna pick up these 2 yellow shades right here and apply it in the hollow that I had created. Pat the color in. You can worry about the blending later. Okay, so now that I've got the most primary colors on my lid, I want to just deepen out the corners of my eye, and for that I'm using the same fluffy brush and picking up this bright red color. It's kind of a maroon color. I'm just going to brush it on the outer corner. Very lightly I'm applying this color because it has a lot of pigmentation. So you gotta be careful when you're kind of blending this out. I'm going to repeat the same on the other eye. I'm just gonna pick up a clean fluffy brush. Just look at this brush. I got this from Miniso. It's too fancy, okay? I don't want to dirty this brush, but still I'm just picking up this clean one and blending out my eyeshadow. and as you can see, there's zero fallout from the palette. I'm totally in love with this palette. If you really want a palette which has all the colors and you can experiment with, just buy this palette. This is so beautiful. It's the Revolution's Marvellous Mattes palette. I got this from Hawk Makeup. So yeah, I'll leave all of the links down below. Please go and check it out so that it's easier for you to go and buy stuff. So now I'm gonna use this brush from which I applied the yellow eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply the orange and the red one on my lower lash line. So I'm picking up both of these colors right here. Okay, it has turned out to be a very fierce look, I feel. Yeah, this is pretty much the eyeshadow look. It's simple, it's easy, it's just 3 colors, just 2 to 3 brushes that I've used, and you can get this eye look. And this palette is multi-purpose, you guys. You can actually kind of use these pretty colors like the pink one and maybe this peach one as a blush. So yeah, you kind of have to get your hands on this one. Okay, so I felt like I should go a little overboard, and I'm just continuing this eyeshadow look. I'm picking up this black eyeshadow right here on this very flat edged brush. This is kind of optional, you guys. It's not compulsory that you do it, but I feel like I want to do it. So I'm going to apply this as my eyeliner. I'm not going to apply an actual eyeliner, but this will kind of give it that look. Just make sure you apply a little bit on the outer corner and you're done. You can apply that on the lower lash line also if you feel like. It looks really very fierce and sultry, so yeah. So I'm gonna apply a blush and a contour together so that it kind of looks blended out. And for that I'm using this LA Colors So Cheeky Blush and Highlight palette. It contains 4 blushes and 2 highlights. It's a very pretty on the go kind of a palette. I'm using a very fluffy brush and picking up these 2 shades right here. So for contouring, I use the Sugar palette as usual, and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. This is how the palette looks. It also has a contour, highlight and a blush shade. So I'm picking up the contour shade right here. On my Pro Art PF14 brush, this is a beautiful, nose contour brush especially. Now for the highlight, I'm using this Wet n Wild P75 brush. And I'm gonna pick up this shade from the palette and just gonna highlight all the high points of my face. So yeah guys, I actually forgot to use the mascara on my eyes, but I'm back, and this is the L'Oreal Fall Slash Superstar Mascara. This is like my favorite mascara right now, and I'm just gonna directly pop on to the mascara, and it has 2 ends. One is the primer end and the other one is the mascara end, but now I'm just gonna jump into the mascara end, and you can see that it applies so beautifully and it kind of elongates your lashes. I'm just going to apply the same highlight on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Okay, now the whole of my face is done and it's time for lipstick. So I'm using the Masaba by Nykaa collection. This is the lipstick in the shade Cool Guy. This is how it looks. The most creamiest formula I have ever used. If you can just go buy one of these, they have the most amazing pinks, reds and nudes out there, and yeah, I really like this lipstick. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like this beautiful sunset kind of a look, and if you want to see other looks like this or similar ones, or if you have any other requests, please leave a comment down below. I will surely consider that. So yeah, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video. It'll mean everything to me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.